dalgona coffee sila.
Ano? Ice caramel macchiato.
Coffee time! Ito yung guest relations. Tapos ito, welcome drinks. Ito na yung Old Town. Antalia's Old Town. Hadrian's Gate. Ayun na siya. We're now here at Carlichi. Ang ganda na Starbucks dito. Old tram. Cute ng tram nila. Oh. So this is the Hadrian's Gate. Kasama yung aso sa tour. Lahat. So this is the Hadrian's Gate. Three-arched gate. Ito for men. Ay, hindi. For women din. Ang gaganda na leather bags nila. Wait. Very mga ako. It's just a cute. Ang dami tulog na aso dito, no? Mga pagod yarn. Ang cute naman nito. Magnets. Binibenta nila yung coins. Evil Eye. Ito dami stones. Ang saya. Ito. We're on our way now to Duden Waterfalls. Grabe ang luluma talaga ng cars dito. Tagal ko na hindi nakakakita ng mga ganito. Mga Corolla, mga ganito. Baby. Nasa Upper Duden Waterfalls pala kami. Dapat doon kami sa lower. So if you want to go to Duden Waterfalls, take note that there are two Duden Waterfalls, one upper and lower. So upper is dun sa pinuntahan namin kanina, which is failed kasi we paid pa 50 Turkish lira per person. Eh hindi naman yun yung nakikita namin sa vlogs and sa online or sa pictures. Ngayon, we're on our way to lower Duden Waterfalls. So yun yung waterfalls na makikita mo na nagla-land directly sa Mediterranean Sea. 30-minute drive from Upper Duden Waterfalls going to Lower Duden Waterfalls. So, there's a nice restaurant. So, yan yun, yung waterfalls. So, magla-land na siya sa Mediterranean Sea. Infinity pool. Mediterranean Sea. So this is Lara pala. Daming shopping malls, tabi-tabi.
Delfin Imperial.
So this is Delfin Diva. Ang ganda oh. Delfin. Alalala, pabalik-balik siya. Ang cute! Katera sa katibol, sumasaklol sa mga hip-hop. Pwede ka rin or pwede rin trip-flop. Siklang kasama ng parokya. Parang bulaga na kailangan di mabokya. Then yan yung slide for the kids. And then meron ding adult slide. Mini aqua. Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. Sarado na yung mga snacks. Yung pasta, doner. Ayun, open yung pizza. Tara, kain tayo pizza. Ayan, hanggang 4 PM lang kasi to. So, hindi kami umabot. Ayan, so pizza. Ano? Ito yung Kerman Arena. So, dyan yung nagpa-perform last night. And then may bar ulit doon. So, ayan, iced coffee daw. And they have slush if you want. Here. Pwede mo kaya habo? Slide. Zumba sila. Ito yung CrossFit. So, ito na yung beach area. May bar dyan. Tapos may bar din doon. Doon. Water sports. Wow, it's so blue. So, ito yung isa pang bar. Kuya, talon ka nga, kuya. Pakilala mo sino ka. Wow! Sige. Sarap buhay. Uy, baby. Slush. Saka alcoholic drinks. May ice cream doon. Ganda. So they also have an Italian restaurant which is a la carte. Ristorante Lavando. There's an extra charge. Another a la carte restaurant. Turca restaurant. So that's a Turkish restaurant naman. Again, with an additional fee. We're just gonna go to the spa to get a towel.
Massage.
Okay.
And 2 person.
Okay. Oh. Ah, yeah.
On the 7th marble stone.
Yeah. Super cold. Ang laki ng pool. So, hindi ka maubusan ng space. Doon lang kami sa may bandang maaraw. Kasi ang lamig ng tubig. Hanap kami ng medyo sunny part. Diba? Ang laki ng pool. Ang daming pool. There's an infinity pool. Walang tao. So, this is the infinity pool bar. Wala nga lang service ngayon sa bar. Maybe. This is the game room. There's also PlayStation. So, yan, may Xbox and PlayStation. Then may bowling. Air hockey. Red. Watcher. Ayan, pwede magpaluto. Sushi. Sushi. Ito yung mga healthy choices. Charcuterie pala. Dried fruits. Chopped pasta bar. cute. Ano yan? Ay, ube cake ba yun? Ito yung dessert ko. So we just had our dinner. It's already 8:45. Oh, it's so nice. Oh. Okay, we're on our way to Land of Legends. It's a theme park, aqua park, and a shopping avenue. But we're just gonna go to the shopping avenue kasi i-slide din naman doon sa hotel na pinagsistayan namin. Kasi we don't have enough time na rin. So nice. Oh. Oh, the Land of Legends. So may theme park, Adventureland, Aqualand, hotel, and nandito tayo sa shopping avenue. Candy. Gusto mo masak? Ang cute to. Ang ganda. Ang ganda, oh. Oh, London is calling. Nahanap ni Ivan. Nahanap na namin Birkenstock sa New Balance. We're back in our hotel. May pa-bingo, diba? Ang saya.
What's your name? Pavel!
Ang tanong, may pumaparty ba? Let's see. Ay, may konti naman. Tapos na yung show dun sa Sunset Bar. Parang ang sarap mag-swimming, pero ang lamig kasi, kahit naman tanghaling tapat, ang lamig ng tubig, kahit sa beach, super lamig talaga.
Oh, saka sa kabila. Kabila nito camera.
Night buffet. Oh, night buffet. Tira kanina. Pagawa kami ng omelette. And ham and cheese omelette sa akin. They have different options. Morning! Round 1 of our breakfast. Ang cute nito isang to. May honey, no? Buong honeycomb. And ayan yung breakfast namin today. Ang cute dito, merong kids chef. May kids area din. Let's eat. I'm gonna order popcorn frap and coffee frap. And dito kami sa loob. Pero pwede din mag-stay sila. It's swimming time! What's up, smoothie? O, di ba naka-rollerblade sila? Talon! Water sports.
So,
Ay, yun yung water sports. Exercise. Water aerobic. Ayan, kakain kami dito in a few minutes. Diba, may sarili kaming party. Lumipat kami dito sa may infinity pool bar. Check natin ito patisserie. Sandwich bar. Street flavors. Tantuni. Oh, wraps. Doner. Tara, slide tayo. So, may malaki doon. Ayan. 9 slides yan, all in all. Cheers!
Really?
Slushies! Cheers! Cheers! Ulit nila. Spa time! We were given this towel para daw mag-bikini and this towel lang for the sauna. Max too. Wow. Bowling. Size 6. Tingnan natin kung kasha. Yes, kasha. Dala lang kayo sariling sock, syempre. Ayan. Oh, ang galing. Woo! My sporty husband. Proud of you. So I got fries, stuffed chicken, pasta, fish, cheese, steak, sushi, Ivan's food,
Peppers, potato, chicken grilled, chicken turkey, chicken something.
Okay. For dessert. Ito hindi ko alam, basta kinuha ko lang. Dessert ni Ivan. Kilala na kami ni Kuya.
Passion, music, imagination.
Hey, finish. Lush Sangria daw. And our last drink for this trip, 2 glasses of bubbly champagne. Ito pala yung binera namin sa massage kahapon. Breakfast time. Morning. Our brekkie. Yeah. Bagong favorite ni Ivan. Butter na may honey. Customized croissant ni Ivan. White chocolate. So, siya kami lagi kumakain sa Angel Restaurant. Pauwi na kami ni Ivan. So, nasa Sepangs na naman siya.
Thank you.
Thank you. Iced white mocha. Clean and tidy pa rin. Nandito lang kami sa siya ngayon. Nagpapagas. Palinis. Thank you, Kuya. Antalya Airport. Doon yung domestic, tapos dito yung international. Let's go. Ang cute nito. Grabe ko. Anyway, ito pala yung duty free nila. Duty free ng Antalya.
Dito